Hey everyone, I am Erica from Rick's Review Hub and welcome back to the channel. If you are tired of vacuuming every day, if pet hair tangles your brushes or dust bunnies hide under furniture, or if you want a powerful cordless vacuum that empties itself and stays clean, then this is going to be your new best friend. Today we are reviewing the roborock H60 Hub Ultra cordless vacuum cleaner with auto empty dock. This smart vacuum combines high suction, anti-tangle brushes, and a self-cleaning dock that does the dirty work for you. Head over to Amazon using the link in the description and check it out. Trust me, this vacuum makes cleaning feel like a breeze. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours and help support the channel. Let us break down the features of the roborock H60 Hub Ultra. It is cordless with a lightweight design that is easy to maneuver around furniture and stairs. The main brush uses anti-tangle technology to handle long hair and pet fur without getting wrapped up. Suction reaches up to 20,000 pascals for deep cleaning on carpets and hard floors. It has multiple modes like Eco, Max, and Auto to adjust power based on the surface. The battery lasts up to 60 minutes on a single charge. The Auto Empty Dock not only empties the dustbin, but also washes the mop if you attach it. And it has a large capacity to hold weeks of dirt. The vacuum detects floor types and adjusts suction automatically. It comes with attachments like a crevice tool, brush tool, and mini motorized brush for upholstery. The app lets you schedule cleanings and track performance. Setup is simple. Charge it, connect to the app, and start cleaning. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. The pros are solid. The anti-tangle brush works great for pet owners. Strong 20,000 pascal suction picks up everything from fine dust to larger debris. The Auto Empty Dock means less emptying and cleaning for you. Battery life is long enough for most homes. It is quiet in eco mode. Attachments make it versatile for whole house use. The app is user-friendly with mapping and scheduling. Users love how it saves time and keeps floors spotless. On the con side, the dock is large, so it needs dedicated space. The vacuum is a bit heavy for extended handheld use. Mop attachment is optional but adds extra cost. Battery takes a few hours to recharge fully. These are minor for most users, and the pros win big for everyday convenience. My recommendation? Yes, get the roborock H60 Hub Ultra Cordless Vacuum Cleaner with Auto Empty Dock if you want powerful suction, anti-tangle cleaning, and a self-emptying system that makes vacuuming hands-free. It is perfect for pet owners, busy families, or anyone who wants cleaner floors with less effort. If these honest home gadget reviews are helping you find better tools, hit subscribe for more and click that affiliate link in the description. It gets you the best deal and keeps the channel going strong. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs easier cleaning, or subscribe for more. See you next time.